The first thing that we want to do when adding two rational expressions with unlike denominators is find a common denominator. So essentially what you do is you multiply each denominator by the other denominator. For this first one, I'm going to take 2x over x minus 1. Okay, and I obviously need to multiply by 1 because that's going to leave it unchanged. So I'm going to multiply it by x plus 5 over x plus 5. Then I'm going to add that with 3 over x plus 5 times, okay, multiplying it by the other denominator, x minus 1 over x minus 1. So now my common denominator is going to be x plus 5 times x minus 1. This first one, when I take 2x and multiply it by x plus 5, I get 2x squared plus 10x. Let's shift all this over quick. Plus, again, my common denominator was x minus 1 times x plus 5. So when I multiplied my second term by x minus 1, I would get 3x minus 3. 3x minus 3. Right, you guys should be recording all of this in your notebook. Now I can go ahead that I have a common denominator. I can add my numerators. Okay, so any like terms I have, I'm going to add. So this leaves me with 2x squared. X terms, I have 10 x's and 3 x's over here, so that gives me 13 total x's. And then minus 3. Which is x minus 1 over x plus 5. Okay, now we need to think back to what we did on Monday, where we want to see if we can reduce. Right now, okay, my numerator is not written as a product. So what we need to do is we need to see if this factors, if my numerator factors, to see if it will then reduce at all, or if I can rewrite it. So I'm going to go ahead now and factor 2x squared plus 13x minus 3. So do I have any numbers, okay, or values that multiply to negative 6x squared and add to 13x? Nope. So this is my final answer.